Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now today, I want to do for you, it's Sunday, I'm in my kitchen, and I just felt like I wanted a little fried rice for my dinner. Running rather late, but I just want to take you along to show you how I do a little fried rice. You remember, this is not no old time, long time authentic. This is not no Jamaican thing. This is Camera Girl, a Chinese by origin dish. But you don't know, we take it, we are borrow it because I said them borrow few brown stew chicken and you know everybody borrow with things. So we just borrow one another cuisine. So today we are borrowing this Chinese fried rice and we're gonna do it a little Jamaican way. There is one on the channel, but that one is would be more like a Jamaican. It's a saltfish, callaloo and saltfish fried rice. We are gonna link for you in the description that callaloo and saltfish fried rice. It's just different, so we're gonna link it. Check it out, you might want to try it. So what I have here, I have some, and by the way, it's a fresh vegetable fried rice, not frozen vegetable, fresh fried rice. So I have my oil been heated over here. You might want something like this, like, you know, a sort of wok. This is like a cast iron sort of skillet. You want something wide. And this is the most chewy thing, so I'm putting in that one first, which is the carrot. So what we don't want it cooked soggy, you know, we want it all crunchy. So we're going to get the flame up. And we have some sliced ginger and some finely chopped garlic. So we're putting them in because those are flavor. So we want them got in right there. Remember I'm telling you, this is just my way. There are so many ways of doing fried rice. We have, so it's a little right out with the thing to you know. I have 2 eggs right here. So we know we're going to want a little scrambled eggs. Check out the callaloo and saltfish fried rice and you will see how I did it. It was done totally different from this one because I took it and I made it in a Jamaican way, you know. So we're putting a little scrambled egg. This is optional, by the way. If you want to use scrambled eggs, you use it. If you don't want to, but I kind of like the taste of the scrambled egg in the fried rice. It kind of take it to a different little level, you know. So this is happening, and you can ride and whistle because you see me have my left on a stir, and at the same time, yeah, me prepare my scrambled egg, man. Because we don't want it scrambled too dry out and something. We want it a little juicy, you know. So look here, I'm gonna turn it off because there is heat still under it. We bring it by the time you're ready to incorporate it in this thing. It is what it will be, and I'm gonna move it to front because I don't want to get it all too dry out, you know. So we scramble the egg, we have it there, and we have these. I have some finely chopped celery, mostly celery stalks. Okay, it's fresh vegetable, not frozen vegetable fried rice. And I've got here some chopped onions, so I'm putting that in. Scallion, the green part, you know that's a must. So we have some of that. Look at it already. Look at it already, y'all, and the rice is not in there. I'm filming from this angle and the pot is to there, you know, that is not right. But I'm using it from that angle, because Camera Girl is here and I can't put this part from the angle where she's filming. I can't put it there. Our pot look dry. I had more oil in it, but I thought I would have needed. So I'm going to put a little bit more oil. But you know we are going to want the oil to put together the rice. And let me show you something right over here, Camera Girl. I like my fried rice with some leafy vegetables, green leafy vegetables. So I'm going to use this part of the pak choi. I like my fried rice with either spinach, callaloo, pak choy, anything that is green and leafy, kale, of that nature. I like my fried rice with something like that. And if you like yours with some, wow, the flavor that is coming from over there, it is so nice. So we're going to put it right there. We got our flame right on. If you like it like that, or if you have never tried it and you want it, you might just want to try it this way. Huh? So we are going to get rolling more than the ordinary, I know. Okay? We are going to want little something, little stronger than that flimsy. Because we want the ice heat here now to get the pak choy sort of, you know? Because everything we want it crunchy. And as it reach that stage where we'll get it, we're going to put in the rice. Huh? And you can leave your comments below, or you can comment below if you like your fried rice with some leafy, green leafy vegetables. Or if you have not tried it that way before, you might want to try it now. So look at what is happening. You see? Everything coming together. And it looks so pretty. Yep. Really nice. Fresh vegetable fried rice. We have some rice here. It was cooked and it was cooled. And you can use your basmati or jasmine. You can use brown rice. You can use parboiled. So many rice. Use your rice of choice. Okay? So we're going to lower flame a little because we want to try to get this rice incorporated in this vegetable here. So we're going to move swift, huh? We're going to stir up, man. And this is so nice, so easy, so colorful, so refreshing. Y'all look at it. This is how I like my fried rice. Yes, this is how I like it. With some green leafy vegetable inside of it. And you know, we have something leaf. You know, we have that little something leaf. The little soy sauce. I'm going to have a little cracked. Instead of using cracked black pepper, I'm using a little cracked pimento. Yeah. Piggy it up a bit. Huh? Yeah. But you can use your cracked black pepper or your black pepper. So we're going to put in a little soy sauce. Depending on the color, how you like your fried rice. I don't like mine too dark, and I don't like it too clear. So let me see how this one out. Try not to use browning. I told you before so many times, browning don't have any flavor. It has no flavor. It only gives coloring. And these little lumps of rice, we want something stronger. So we have a wooden spoon because this is a non-stick cast iron. So I can use, you know, my special spoon. I can't use any of that in there. Now you tell me, you look at this. Look at it, y'all. Perfect color. Don't need any more soy sauce. Perfect color. Lower flame as we're trying to get the rice incorporated. Look at it. Look at it. And we got here our scrambled eggs. As this the egg, don't remember the egg has already been scrambled. So we don't need the egg, don't need no cooking in there. You just need to get incorporated inside the fried rice with the rest. You know, you just need it right in. Wow, so beautiful, so nice. And you scramble your eggs and make your eggs stand out inside the fried rice. But I scrambled the egg and went and you say, scramble egg in the fried rice, yes, but yeah, search for it. Where is it? Can't find it. Scramble it and let it stand out. And this is it. It's ready. It is ready. Shoot them up, camera girl, pan them. Shoot them up on it, camera girl. So pretty, so nice. Let me do some tidying up because I've got to present it to you. You know that. So I'm doing some tidying up here, getting things out of the way. And fam, the kitchen smells so good because I'm at home and I'm doing late Sunday evening dinner. And I have the aroma of my fried rice. I have my carrot cake over here, so. And you know, me and Uno go say, Lad Debbie, welcome to the carrot cake. Yeah, man, where you head that coming? I have my carrot cake in my toaster oven over there. So the carrot cake and the fried rice aroma, them come together now to take away the kitchen. Okay, y'all? So, let me dish you up some of this thing now. It is so pretty, y'all. Make sure you're getting every single thing out of it, you know. And I don't have to taste it. I don't have to taste it because the rice was cooked with a little salt. The soy sauce as in some salt. I don't know, say, me's not a woman of salty things, you know. A lot of salt, I don't eat with a lot of salt. So, and I'm not gonna add any salt. Yep. Right here. And right now, it was so easy, y'all. Huh? It was just so easy. My rag is clean. Okay? Look at it. So from my kitchen to yours, to your family table, to your Sunday evening dinner table, it's fresh vegetable fried rice done in the snap of a finger. Now, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Give me some likes, man. Give me some likes. If you have liked it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, families, co-workers. Share. Like. Leave your comments below. And you don't really understand when you leave your comments below how much I feel. And I always say to you, I answer every single comment. I may not get to answer them each time at the same time, but they are all answered. As long as the comment is within the most principled way and everything, it is answered in a principled, decent, loving, family manner. That's what this channel is about. Family, loving, caring, cooking. Okay, y'all? So, from my kitchen to yours once more, it's fresh vegetable fried rice. You want to try it? Try it, man. And remember, I'm going to leave the link for the saltfish and the callaloo fried rice in the description for you all. You can follow me on Instagram, and I will post my Instagram link in the comments also. I'll also leave my WhatsApp number that you can get in touch with me for whatever, mostly for business. You know what I do. And as I say, 2018, Debbie from Dongayard. It's just blessings, no stressings.